Having a baby can be pretty scary. What's even more scary is thinking about how much that baby is gonna cost you. The average American family spends over $12,000 on child-related expenses before the baby's first birthday. So in this video, I'm going over some money-saving tips for new parents so that little one doesn't break your bank. Hey guys, I'm Jason Kreidman and this is Dad University. Did you know that according to the Department of Agriculture, a child will cost $233,000 by the time they are 17 years old? That doesn't include the cost if they decide to go to college or decide to live with you until they're 35 years old. Now, I'm not a financial planner, a certified accountant, or even qualified to give you investment advice. But I can tell you some things that helped our family when we had our first child, and some things financially that maybe I would have done a little differently. So let's get to it. Number one, save money before the baby is born. Now, I definitely could have done better with this one. While I did get rid of the sports car and some of the expensive bachelor toys, I didn't consciously put money aside for our first child. Saving some money is a good idea to help reduce the financial stress and burden that can creep up on you when the baby arrives. Number two, nurse instead of formula. So now you may not have a ton of say in this one, but breastfeeding is practically free. It does cost some time for mom, but formula is expensive. Estimates are about $1,700 for the cost of formula for the first year. And those little ones down that stuff like crazy. Number three, make your own baby food. My wife was really good with this one. You can use a blender and puree all types of foods that your baby can eat. So in addition to it being healthy and knowing exactly what your baby is eating, it can save you a lot of money. Estimates are that making your own food is about 1/3 the cost of buying it. You can make tons of food in ice cube trays, freeze them, and then use them as needed. It worked amazingly well for us. Number four, get hand-me-down clothes and toys. Now, before I had a child, I recalled thinking that I wouldn't want my child wearing used clothing or playing with some other child's toys. Boy, did that change once the baby was born and you see how fast they go through clothes. Or how often toys get wasted because there's so many of them, or the child just gets really bored quickly with the toys that they have. So let your family, friends, and neighbors know that if they have any clothes or toys that they don't need anymore, you'd welcome them. Number five, buy used. So if you're not getting a lot of hand-me-downs, consider buying used clothing or toys at a consignment store or off Craigslist, or a handful of apps that now make it really easy to buy and sell things. Maybe there are some special things that you really do want to get new for your child, and that's fine. But there is a tremendous amount of money wasted in those early years. Number six, go to the library. Reading with your child is really important, but why spend tons of money on books as they grow? Your local library is an awesome place to get free books. Use it as a resource. Number seven, eat at home. There's a lot of health benefits to eating at home, but for this video, we're talking about saving money. Whether you go out for lunch during the workday or you often go out to dinner, consider eating at home more and save some money. While I understand this can be difficult for many people, eating at home is going to save you money. Some estimates put the savings at over 50%. Number eight, buy in bulk. So whether you're purchasing food for your home or you're purchasing things for the baby, bulk is the way to go. Don't buy the small pack of diapers or single formulas or anything that has to do with the baby that's in small quantity. You're going to use these things over and over. You're going to want to buy in bulk and save money. And finally, this is a bonus tip for your friends and family. Number 9, contribute to your child's savings account instead of buying them presents. While grandma might feel the need to buy that 23rd stuffed animal, recommend to your friends and family that they contribute to a savings account instead of buying gifts or presents. We all have a tendency to just have too much stuff. Your child doesn't need 5 of the same action figures in different sizes, nor do they need every princess dress ever created. We can begin to practice minimalism early on. The savings account is a much better investment for the child. Well, that's all we have for today, but we'd love to hear from you. What are some ways that you have found to save money as a new parent? Put your feedback in the comment section below. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow us, and share this video with your friends and family. We make new videos for you every week. We'll see you next time.